Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to finally arrange all of my pins that I have been holding back on for so long. I figured I'd just do it with you guys on camera. I'll show you guys how I'm going to do it. I have these little letter boards from Target. I ordered them a long time ago. I don't know if they're still available, but these are not hard to find. The gray portion, instead of being plastic, it's actually felt, but it doesn't go as deep as I had expected, and so the pins don't just stay in. Like, if they're on the wall and there's an earthquake, which happens in California, everything's just going to fall. So what I've come up with is I'm going to take these little eraser rectangles that I made, and I'm going to stick those in first and then stick the pins into them. Could I have just gotten a corkboard? Yeah, but I don't like the look of a corkboard. I don't think they look cute in this room. Alright, you guys, so what I did was I have little slivers of these erasers, and I just stuffed them into where I wanted them. And since this pin doesn't like fit perfectly with the lines when it's straight, I just turned it to the side a little bit, and all I'm going to do is push it in right into the erasers. And now, that's a pretty strong earthquake, and it's going nowhere, and it's so cute! finally done. That took forever. But here are both of the finished boards. Obviously, more will be added to the collection. When that happens, I can just move them around. So I'm really happy with how they came out. They're so cute. I am planning on hanging this on the wall, but for now, they may just have to sit on my dresser. That actually, I like that. But I am still going to hang them on the wall eventually. So I hope you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was like kind of short, wasn't much going on, but I hope you guys liked seeing all the pins and everything. If you want like a more in-depth pin collection tour, I don't know what else to call it, let me know and I will definitely do one for you because I love my pins and I'm planning on growing it more. I don't have anything else to say, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.